Learning with GBA Episode 5. Internal Branding, Growing Your Brand from Within. Hi, welcome to the Global Brand Academy's Learning with GBA. My name is Dr. 𝗵𝗔𝗍 and I am the Chief Experience Officer of the Brand Theatre Worldwide and the Head Brand Coach of the Global Brand Academy. I've been ranked number 2 in the world as a global brand thought leader, and I've also written 8 best-selling books on branding. I am excited to share one of our key signature programs, the Internal Brand Mastery Program, which is a huge hit for organizations who are looking at improving their company culture and brand from inside. Now, over the years, GBA has helped brands transform from within through this masterclass. And I've always advised our clients, a great culture makes for a great brand. A great culture is where your employees are driven to deliver your brand, to brief your brand, to understand your brand, to take action for your brand. Now let me demonstrate to you the power of internal branding through one of my favorite brands, the Disney brand. And the story is very simple. The story was about a young executive who had joined Disney. Now at this point of time, this young executive that joined Disney, he had to solve a problem. You see, a little boy called Mark had lost his teddy bear. And this young executive, Thomas, he had to go and find that teddy bear. And so he decided to write an email to the boy's parents. And he was writing the email when a senior executive walks over to him and says, "Stop, Thomas, stop. This is not the Disney brand." Disney brand is about the magic of Disney. It's about happiness. And this is what the senior executive did. The senior executive proceeds to take a piece of paper and a crayon. He proceeds to handwrite a note not addressed to the boy's parents, but to the little boy. And the letter went something like this. "Dearest Mark, we miss you. This is Mickey Mouse. We love for you to come and visit us and play with us and spend time with us. See you soon. With lots of love, signed Mickey Mouse. P.S. Goofy says hello." Puts it on a Disney branded envelope and sends it to the little boy. Now, imagine that little boy waking up and receiving that letter. And all this has come from the actions of an employee who understood what the Disney brand is all about. And that is the premise of internal branding. It is about how you take your brand. How do you make it yours? How you then translate the brand to your key stakeholders, your fellow colleagues, your customers. And every brand is different, every brand is special. And the ability for every employee, every leader to foster and align themselves to the brand is so crucial today. If you sell your brand outside, you need to also sell your brand inside. You can't just focus on marketing without focusing on creating a strong branded culture where you're engaging your employees with the right tools and the right approach to communicate and build your brand from within. That's why this workshop is needed for you. It's needed for you because this workshop is going to help you create and foster an internal culture where every leader and employee understands and believes in your brand. In the program, we will help you examine the process and the approach of creating a branded culture that leads to employee retention, loyalty, and pride, allowing them to deliver consistently. You will also learn the importance of having a strategic approach in building your brand from within and how do you measure efficacy. We have programs for all levels of employees. We have programs at a senior level for leaders so that leaders understand how to drive this. We have programs for managers so that they manage on brand. We have programs for key champions within your organization. And we have programs for everyone. Live the brand. So really, the Internal Brand Mastery is a powerful program which actually has sub-programs that caters to all levels in your organization. So join me in helping transform your brand from within with our powerful internal brand training framework and signature workshops and align your organizations to your brand. Our sessions will lay the groundwork for your branded culture development and transformation, and we guarantee that this will have a long-lasting effect for your brand. Our program is based on our best-selling book, Internal Brand, Growing Your Brand from Within, When I wrote the book many years back, it was a game changer in the marketplace. We had organizations from all around the world buying the book and saying, how can we apply a powerful internal brand in our organization? For inquiries, visit our website or social pages. Links are in the bio. My name is Dr. Jerome Joseph, and this is Learning with GBA.